There it is. If you like what you see, why don't you think about subscribing? And make sure to check out my channel for videos just like this. What's going on, folks? It's your boy MrBucketlist, and here we are today at Croc Encounters here in Tampa, Florida. Let's check it out. Alright, so just a quick heads up for this video. I was going to do a review, but I didn't have enough footage to do it for a review. So I'm just going to let you all hear the natural ambience and the experience of the tour itself. No music, no fancy editing. I hope you enjoy it. Peace out. Here we got a good sized one.
Is he gonna bite?
Not if I don't let him. There we go.
So based on this gator size, I'd say he or she's around 4 years old. This is definitely one of the bigger ones in here. Now, when alligators, you can always tell they're young because of the stripes they still have. These are called the baby bands. That helps with camouflage. They don't really lose these until they turn 6 or 7 years old. So that's when they start becoming an adult, and that's when they really don't need to hide from a lot of predators anymore.
Hey, do they bite?
Absolutely. They love to bite. See what it feels like. Alligators are very smooth to the touch, and I promise this tail, it's never bitten anybody before. Thanks for being a good volunteer, buddy. But as it gets bigger, of course, you can get some bigger prey.
It's chicken. It's
Closure, extra secure. Oscar over here, though, he doesn't do a whole lot. He's more the relaxing one over here. He likes to just sit in the sun, take a bath, and whenever food's available, he likes to eat. We're hoping to get him settled over here. That's Elvis's new aquarium when it is finished. All we need to do is adjust it to pretty, and the main thing, build a glass on the front. And Elvis over here is actually a really small guy. He's only about 60 pounds right now. And we're gonna get him moved over there because one day they get around 250 pounds fully grown. These guys get really big. However, they don't do a lot. These turtles are found at the bottoms of rivers and swamps. They like to cover themselves up in algae. I'm gonna pick him up, and you guys are gonna see him open up his big old beak. We can take a peek inside, and hopefully he'll wiggle his tongue around for us. There it is. Oh.
Look at him. Ew.
Anybody got a finger they want to donate today? We take donations of all kinds.
Logan.
What about you, little man? Want to pick her up? Sure. Scoop her up with 2 hands, very gently. I've been doing this for about 5 years. I haven't seen her bite anybody so far.
Yeah, this will be the one time.
Close this behind you. This box right here, it's got more fingers than she has.
Some spiky things on their backs and stuff. What do they use that?
Those are going to be called osteoderms. You can also call them scoots. They serve two purposes. Number one, the main one is this plate of armor. The back parts of these alligators are very, very thick. They are bulletproof for most small animals. But these ones are a little unique. They also eat meat as well. Most of the time, they just dig up earthworms, but in the wild, they'll also, take out leftovers from other predators. Here, though, we just give them to sink to the bottom like an anchor. So they stay away from water over here. But these are your North American sliders in an aquarium that most filters can't keep up with the water quality. And here we have this nice big pond. They do flourish, and these all used to be pets as well. So the knolls, they're around 5 inches fully grown, and you find them literally everywhere in Florida. They even mow your lawn for you too. They're grazers like cattle, so they just munch all day long.
They're
Did
like,
that
hey,
one
he looks like us.
back get hurt? The one that,
You're gonna see a few shells in here look a little weird, a little funky, like jasmine right there. The main two things they need to thrive is a good diet. Their staple is green. Husk, the males use to attack each other.
Oh, really?
For the mating season, they have.
I don't know if I did that short one great. Here, Mike, you did this one. I just
You're trapped.
Why he walked up to me?
Make good
Standing
pets.
on another one.
It's just more of a conversation if you have the room and the time.
The time out. So it'd be a good pet to get someone when they're really young.
They look a little scary with their horns, their claws, their spines, and their sharp teeth. These guys are harmless. They don't like people too much. There we go. That's Spike. And his lovely partner, Miss Bertha. Bumped into her. He gets a little rowdy with people. He likes to be the star of the show over there. There he is.
Oh, oh.
You get health insurance for this place?
Whatever tip you guys leave my wife. That's it. We have about 40 American alligators, all between 5 and 10 feet long. And these are the nuisance gators that we'll go out and capture. We will get phone calls every single day saying, hey, I got a gator. He's in my backyard. He's in my swimming pool. He's on the golf course. He's hiding underneath my car. I'm trying to leave to go to work right now. All the time we get these calls. Just
What is this?
ground up catfish. Very gourmet. You can try it if you want it. It's completely edible and safe to eat. I just don't know about the taste. If you like chalky catfish, then the vitamins constantly do it. Okay, don't want to get bit by them. There are over about 50, maybe 60 turtles in here, and they all used to be people's pets. We get the fish were not pets. They're just wild that started breeding here. For anything. You ready? A little higher up on the chest.
Thanks for watching the video. If you like what you saw, please check out my channel for more videos just like this. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Until then, I'll see you next time. Peace.